Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video with iMovie, full guide step by step clearly. To create a video with iMovie, begin by opening the iMovie application on your Mac. On the main screen, select Create New and then click Movie to start a new project. Choose a theme if you want to apply a preset look to your project, or opt for no theme for a blank canvas. Next, import media by clicking the Import Media button. Navigate to the folder containing your video clips, photos, and audio files. Select the files you want to use and click Import Selected to add them to your project library. Once your media is imported, drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To trim a clip, click on it in the timeline and drag the edges to adjust the length. If you wish to add transitions between clips, go to the Transitions tab in the top menu. Drag your desired transition effect between two clips in the timeline. To add text, navigate to the Titles tab, then select a style that fits your video. Drag the title style to the timeline, positioning it above the clip where you want the text to appear. Double-click the title in the viewer to customize the text and adjust the font, size, and position. For audio, you can add background music by importing an audio file or using the built-in soundtracks. Drag the audio file to the timeline, ensuring it lines up with your video clips. Adjust the audio levels by clicking on the audio clip and using the volume control slider. To enhance your video, explore the color correction and stabilization options in the adjustment tools. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select File to save your video to your computer, choosing your desired resolution and quality settings. Choose a name and location for your video file, then click Next and Save. Finally, wait for If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video.